Hello English Mantras community. Today we are diving into a fun and effective way to supercharge your English skills through the magic of movies. Now the question pops up, why movies? Because movies are more than just entertainment. They are windows into language and culture. By immersing yourself in films, you are not just learning words, you are absorbing expressions, intonations and the natural flow of conversation. Friends, please select films that match your language proficiency. Start with simpler dialogues and gradually progress to more complex ones. Imagine starting with an animated classic like Toy Story or Finding Nemo. These films provide simple dialogues and vibrant visuals, making them perfect for beginners. As you progress, challenge yourself with movies like Forrest Gump or The Pursuit of Happiness for richer conversations. If you are a beginner, try The Lion King with its straightforward dialogues. As you advance, movies like The Social Network or The Devil Wears Prada offer a mix of complexity and engaging conversations. Subtitles can be your trusty sidekick, adding comprehension without sacrificing the joy of watching. Pause, rewind, and replay scenes to catch nuances. Mimic the pronunciation cadence of the characters to enhance your speaking skills. Movies are gold mines for vocabulary. Create a dedicated list of new words, phrases, and expressions. Use them in your daily conversations to cement them in your memory. Movies show us how people talk, their habits, and the cool words they use. It's like getting a peek into their culture and learning the way they express themselves in everyday life. Understanding these aspects enriches your language skills and helps you communicate more naturally. Friends, make movie watching a regular habit. Consistency is the key to language acquisition. Set aside dedicated time each week, and soon you will notice a remarkable improvement in your English proficiency. Buddy, are you encountering challenging accents or rapid speech? Don't fret. Use language learning apps like Fluent U and slow down playback speed or choose movies with clear enunciation to ease into the learning process. Remember, language learning should be enjoyable, so why not learn English the semantic way? Happy watching and may your language journey be as exciting as a blockbuster movie. Thank you very much.